to the heart of Palanan. This design concept for non-archway in Sabutan and Waves. Palanan Isabela draws inspiration from the region's unique culture, natural beauty, and historical significance. The Sabutan and Wave Archway will be a striking and welcoming landmark that celebrates the region's rich culture, breathtaking landscapes, and proud heritage. It will serve as a symbol of Sabutan's identity, attracting visitors and showcasing the community's resilience and spirit. This arc will stand as a powerful and inspiring monument, reflecting the deep connection between Sabutan Waving, ocean waves, and the people of Palanan. As a gateway to the region, it will invite visitors to explore Palanan's rich cultural heritage and the stunning natural beauty. Sa Paraiso, Palanan. Come and join us as we welcome you to Palanan. We are delighted to have you in our beautiful town, where a rich heritage, a warm community, and breathtaking landscapes come together to create a truly unique experience. As you explore Palanan, you'll encounter the vibrant culture shaped by generations, friendly faces eager to share traditions, and scenic views that makes this place so special. Whether you're here to learn, relax, or simply soak in the local charm, we invite you to fully immerse yourself in the spirit of Palanan. We hope you stay both memorable and inspiring, and you come again. Welcome to Palanan. Sa Paraiso, Palanan. Oh eh eh eh, oh eh oh eh, oh eh eh eh, oh eh eh, oh eh eh eh, oh eh oh eh, oh eh eh eh, oh eh eh. Matang isaw sa lagoon, kulay bughaw ang tubig nito, kamangha-manghang mga white beach at lagaslas ng mga talon, dalisay at malinaw na tubig na ilog Palanan. Tayo na, tara na, sa Paraiso, Palanan. Kumakaway, nag-aanyayang, makikisa sa pagdiriwang. Tuyuhin mo, saksihan mo, ang makulay na pasasalamat. Tara na, sa Paraiso, Palanan. Tayo na, tara na, sa Paraiso, Palanan. Kumakaway, nag-aanyayang, makikisa sa pagdiriwang. Tuyuhin mo, saksihan mo, ang makulay na pasasalamat. Tara na, sa Paraiso, Palanan. Tara na, sa Paraiso, Palanan. Tara na, sa Paraiso.